Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to unarchive post on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Go to your profile. Click on the three-line button on the top right of your profile. Select the archive option from the flyout menu. Here you will see the Stories archive that is set by default. Tap on Stories Archive from the top of your screen. Now, tap on Post Archive from the option. Click on the post that you want to unarchive. Tap on three vertical dots on the top right of your post. Then, tap on the Show on Profile option. And you will successfully unarchive the post on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to unarchive post on Instagram. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.